It's the 23rd of August 2023 here in the UK, and now it's time to show you how you can get your Firestick or Fire TV Cube on the cheap. If you're watching this video as a short, make sure you tap on the thumbnail in the bottom right hand corner right now so that you see the full video. If you're already watching the full video, hold tight, more details coming up shortly. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So as I say, it's the 23rd of August 2023 in the UK. It's nearly a bank holiday weekend, and in true tradition, on bank holidays or around bank holidays, Amazon reduce the price of their Fire TV sticks and Fire TV cubes. So let's have a look at what the reductions are and what Fire Stick or cube should you be looking at. Well, first of all, you've got the Fire TV Stick Lite. There is absolutely no reduction on this. This particular Fire TV Stick, the Lite, is really no good at all whatsoever. Avoid it like the plague. It's slow, it's got Wi-Fi 5 on it, it's only got 1 GB of memory, and the processor inside there isn't great, to be quite honest with you. It's not got Dolby Atmos, only HDMI pass-through of Dolby encoded audio, and it doesn't support 4K. There's no live picture-in-picture. It's really a waste of time. Save your money, save your money. So we're going to move on to the Fire TV Stick. This is the standard Fire TV Stick. This has been reduced. This is normally $44.99. At the moment, it's down to $32.99. And we're going to look at when the prices are likely to go up later on in the video, so stick with us. So it's a reduction of 27% down to $32.99. But should you get it? No. Give it a miss, give it a miss. It's pretty much the same as the Fire TV Stick Lite. It's just got a bit better remote control. It's just got TV functions included on it. So avoid it like the plague. Next up, we've got the 4K Fire Stick, the Fire TV Stick 4K, which is normally $59.99. This has been reduced by 33% at the moment, down to $39.99. Now, this used to be my favourite, but unfortunately, the Fire TV Stick 4K, it's getting on a bit. Okay, it does 4K. It's got 8 GB of storage like all the others, and it's got a slightly extra amount of RAM to it. It's got 1.5 GB, which does give it a boost in speed over the Fire TV Stick Lite and the Fire TV Stick. It does give it quite a nifty boost, to be quite honest with you. It's noticeably faster. But what's letting it down is the Fire OS on it is only Fire OS 6 still, which is quite dated. And I think at some point soon, they are likely to retire the Fire TV Stick 4K. So let's move along to the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. This, if you're looking at a Fire TV Stick, this is the one that everyone should be going for. So it supports 4K, it supports 1080p Full HD, it's got live picture-in-picture, it's got Wi-Fi 6. Now this means if you've got a Wi-Fi 6 router, you are going to get the best Wi-Fi speeds possible. Without a doubt, if you're thinking of getting a Wi-Fi 6 router or you've got a Wi-Fi 6 router, this is the one to go for if you're looking for a Fire TV Stick. It's got 8 GB of storage, which is pretty much standard across the board of Fire TV Sticks, but this has also got 2 GB of RAM in it, which is more than any other stick. This really does help boost the performance. It supports Dolby Atmos, and it's also got a better quad-core CPU than all the others, and also got a slightly faster GPU than all the others. That's a graphical processing unit. The remote control has also got TV functions on it. It is the absolute best stick that you can buy, and at the moment that has been reduced from $64.99 to $42.99. That's a saving of 34%, which, if you look, to be quite honest with you, if you're looking at the Fire TV Stick 4K at the moment, that's $39.99. For literally £3 more, you can get a much better stick all round. Now, if you are thinking of buying any of these, then have a look in the description of this video. There are links here which will take you to each of these, and buying through those links really does help support this channel. It helps me dedicate more time to making these videos. But let's move on. But if you're looking at the ultimate Fire TV device, then you are going to be looking at the Fire TV Cube. Now this is normally $139.99. It's currently down to $119.99, and we're going to talk about when these deals end, or likely to end. So we have got in that it supports HD, supports 4K, supports live picture in picture. It's got hands-free with Alexa. You can connect and control your set-top boxes, games consoles, webcams, etc. It's got Wi-Fi 6E in it, and it's also got, as a bonus, an Ethernet port. And more than anything else, it has got more storage than any other Fire TV device. It's got a whacking great 16 gigabytes of storage. So if you love your apps, then this is the device for you, the Fire TV Cube 3rd generation. It has got double the amount of storage than any other device. It's also got 2 gigabytes of memory. It supports Dolby Atmos, and it's got a octa-core CPU. That's 4 times 2.2 gigahertz and 4 times 2 gigahertz and an 800 megahertz graphical processing unit. This is, like I say, the absolute best Fire TV device. So if money allows, goes for this one. If it doesn't, then I would say the absolute minimum you should be looking at is the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, which is currently at $42.99. Now, when is this offer likely to end? Well, I can't be 100% sure, but judging by previous offers, it looks like it is likely to end at midnight on Friday, the 1st of September 2023. That's Friday, the 1st of September 2023 at midnight. Like I say, I cannot guarantee 100% that will be the date. I am just purely going on past experiences with Amazon putting these devices on sale. So get one as soon as you can if you're looking for a Fire Stick or Fire TV Cube. Now is a good time to get one. The next time the offers are likely to be on here may well be sometime in October, perhaps for the school holidays, and then you may well find, and I'd almost guarantee it, Black Friday will be the next time they go down, and then possibly for the last sale this year will probably be sort of around about the 15th, 16th of December 2023. They're likely to go down. Now, this is just pure guesswork, basing it on previous reductions on the Fire TV series. So obviously, if you can't afford to get one before this offer ends, keep looking out. Like I say, October, around about school holiday time. November, that will be Black Friday, and around about the 15th, 16th of December will probably be the next few times that these are likely to be on sale. Who knows what price they'll be at? We'll just have to wait and see. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, help support this channel. As I say, if you're after a Fire TV Stick or a Cube, then consider using the links in the description down below. It really does help support this channel. It helps me to dedicate more time to researching and bringing these videos to you. And also, whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of videos right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully, whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and some more money.